Get a feel for the 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. The Pacifica is the ideal family hauler. Loaded with safety features and tech-focused amenities, it's powerful, quiet, agile, and offers flexible seating configurations. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, power liftgate, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, heated rear seat. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes from knowing your most precious cargo is in good hands. The Pacifica has your family's back. Test drive it today.